liberty, and justice for all.
Today is September 18th, 2012. It's 4:04.
I've read it on that motion for minutes of that meeting.
Jerry approved the minutes of the last meeting. Do I hear a second?
Second.
All in favor, signify aye.
Aye.
Motion approved. We will wait and go through the correspondence when we get through the meeting here. This new business, approving avenue expenditure, a review of the submitted evidence. What this is about, the attorney, Donald Tennant, wants us to approve getting an expert from Pennsylvania. Donald Trump Tennant. Oh.
May I speak up?
Yes, please.
I'm not sure if he has that individual locked up yet or not. In my conversation with him, that he is pursuing a professional third party to help us analyze.
So he wanted us to agree for the expenditure of getting someone, an expert out of Pittsburgh.
Okay. We need a motion.
Yes, in the
So
motion.
moved.
Got a motion on the floor, I hear a second.
Second.
All in favor, signify aye.
Aye.
Motion approved.
Did he say how much?
No.
There's information in your packet, and your thing, you all have one on this, that I received today from, well, the company, it came from,
David T. Richardson.
Yeah.
The attorney at law.
he was instructed by Mr. Tennant to send it away.
Jacob T. Richardson?
David T.
David.
Richardson.
You say he's out of PA?
No, this is an attorney at law licensed in California, Texas, and West Virginia.
Who has been employed by the hub.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Is there expert witness on the?
One of them, I take it, yes. I had an opportunity to review that myself before I came.
The way I understood Mr. Tennant, this was in case if it was necessary to do this, correct?
Yes,
We just have to approve the fund in case it was necessary.
I couldn't hear you there.
That you were approving this in case it was necessary to do this, correct?
Yeah.
Well, it is necessary.
Yes, it is
It's not in
necessary.
case, it is necessary.
It is necessary.
Yes.
So, Mr. Wellings, you did review this.
Yes, I did.
Could you give us your opinion?
I thought it was pretty generic in substance, very general, I guess I should say, in substance there. There's not specifics in there from Mr. Chang. It does appear that he has, he is a well-qualified individual in floodplain issues. From his resume is there with that to look at this, to look at these type of things. He has been very active in California and Arizona in this type of work and analysis. And many of the concerns that he brought up there are things that I also had concerns about, and hopefully will be in this information we are yet to see coming from both parties.
Thank you.
And there's three parts to this. There's a letter, and then there's his credentials, and then there's his review. The
So you're getting a Mr. Richardson or someone else?
This is from Joy Howe.
Okay.
Mr. Richardson is her attorney
Okay. Okay.
representing us. I believe it says he's licensed in California, West Virginia, and something else.
We don't know who we're getting yet. True?
True. As of earlier today, when I talked to Mr. Tennant, he was still pursuing individual professionals to do this.
Okay.
You didn't get a copy? She's gonna get the one. Wow.
Has the deadline changed in which you have to make your decision?
No, it hasn't, but I have spoke with Mr. Tanner and he said you may have to extend the deadline.
But at this time, it's still 24th?
Yes. Well, the 28th is when we're going to meet.
24th, we're supposed to make our decision, and
Yes.
28th, as I believe EQT is already filed for hearing or something.
Well, Joey Huff called me today about left me a message, said that we're supposed to have a meeting tomorrow. She heard, where did she get that information? We're not having a meeting tomorrow?
No,
Okay.
she called me and I
Okay.
told her.
Okay.
May I ask a question?
Yes, sir.
How long do you think it took him to do this?
Not a long time.
My estimate's 3 days.
Most of that information he should have already, I mean, this paper you're looking at, Mr. Chang,
His review.
most of that information he should have already had there. He's taught graduate and undergraduate stuff, his resume, and all
Great
this.
credentials. But how long do you think it took? 3 days at most?
I wouldn't know how to speculate on it. I don't have enough knowledge
My
at the
guess.
hydrology stuff that he is doing right there to make that assumption.
Did Mr. Tennant even give you an hourly cost of what this expert would make?
He doesn't know because he hasn't contacted anyone yet.
I believe he has contacted some individuals, but he has not yet got any certain individual
Okay.
locked down.
I talked to him Friday, he talked to me today.
Yeah, he is, like you mentioned, pursuing a fellow that, from Allegheny County, Pennsylvania. But I think he was also looking at a couple other individuals and have not confirmed anything with anyone yet. My understanding.
So in other words, you just approved taking his recommendation on an expert when he finds one?
Yes.
Yes, yes, that's what.
Okay.
Yes, it was his recommendation, he should probably have a third party to help us sort this out, who is more knowledgeable in both the engineering, but more particularly the water plant, the floodplain stuff. I believe he is, as I understand, pursuing professional, more in he's looking for the floodplain area and everything there, not an engineer, but someone who has the credentials that Mr. Chang has, in the floodplain